Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I have the Decocrated Christmas 2021 box. I am very, very excited about unboxing this with you. But first, a disclaimer. This is going to be a spoiler. I'm about to show you everything inside. It's also going to spoil the contents of the winter box. So if you have not seen what's in the winter box, you don't want to move forward, because by the end of this video, once we're decorating, you're going to see what's in both of them. So there's your heads up. If you are not a Decocrated member, you are not able to get this box. So all you have to do is sign up for Decocrated. Then you can get the exclusive Christmas box. They offer about 5 different exclusive holiday boxes per year. The Christmas one always goes the fastest. It moves quick. So there's your heads up. If you want to sign up for Decocrated, go down below and grab my URL. You can use my coupon code PINKENVELOPE15 to get $15 off of one box or $15 off your annual subscription. Once you have your subscription, you'll see this guy pop up in the online store to add on. These boxes are $39.99 and they are exclusive based on a holiday. So the winter box is winter theme. These are the Christmas touches you will add with that box. They have a Halloween box, which you can go back and see. There's an Easter box, a new Americana box. So they typically pop up around the holiday. They have never had a box shaped like this, and I think it's so cute because it's basically a winter wonderland scene you can play with. I'm loving that they did that. And of course my kids are like, when do we get that box? And I'm like, hold on, let me unbox it first. So I'll be passing that over to my kiddos. On top is the art card and magazine. The art card here says sweater weather. I love that looks like a little sweater print. And the other side says Merry Christmas, and it has a little bear ornament. This coordinates really well with the winter box. I love that. Then it has a little bit of information about the OneThrive systems. I have 2 OneThrive systems and maybe getting a third one. So if you want to check out how I keep my family organized, how I keep my life organized, go down below. I have a URL with a full unboxing of OneThrive. I also have a coupon code for you guys if you want to get a discount on a OneThrive system. You can see me here on the little postcard. It's kind of fun. And then inside here, it talks about the designer, the color schemes. It talks about all the different products that are in here. It talks about how to style the products. I do not know what's in this box, so I am not looking because I really want this to be a surprise. On top, it looks like we got a pillowcase. Everything's folded so differently to fit in this box. It's kind of funny. It's like a little sliver. Oh yeah, so it is a lumbar pillow. This matches really good with the winter box also. It is double-sided. I do have the measurements for this pillow down below, as well as the insert I recommend for this pillow. But if you're ever not sure and you don't have your computer handy, if you open your pillowcase at the bottom, there is a tag right here and it says 19 by 13, so you know exactly what size the pillowcase is and what size insert to snag. So always remember that little tag right there gives you all the info you need. I love that this year that they're doing this black and white with the pop of color. It gives a whole bunch of versatility to the design. And I actually am unboxing this prior to Halloween because I'm an unboxer, I get it early. And I am already thinking about how this could be used in my Halloween design. Wouldn't that be so cute? Okay, let's set that guy right there and see what's in here. I'm wondering if there's something in here. Yeah, it looks like there is a box in there. Okay, now I'm nervous. This could be breakable. It's green. Oh, it's a votive holder. Or you could put a candle or a light of any sort, because the sides are cut out and it's gonna put the pattern through with whatever type of light you put in there. That's really cute, and that is like such a Christmassy green. Like, look how cute that looks with that. So I'm noticing snowflake trends. I am loving that. This is a cute little addition. I did not bring my, hold on, I've got to go get my tape measure. Okay, this will be more fun now. I was like, I feel naked not measuring things. So this guy is about 3.5 inches tall and about 3.5 inches diameter. We discussed this last time, diameter. So there it gives you an idea on that. The tea lights that I have, if you go watch my Halloween Decocrated unboxing, I have these little electrical tea lights that I've been using for everything, would work perfectly in there. Okay, what's this guy? Normally I get sneak peeks via email before the box arrives, and I did this time, but I didn't look, and I'm super glad I didn't look because it's fun actually being surprised. Okay. You guys. Oh, you guys, look at him. He is so stinking cute. And his glasses are like 3D, like they're actually like lifted and moving. He is very, very cute. He's like Gandalf Santa. I really, really like him. I love the color coordinating in the pillowcase and in the art card. This is very cute. Actually, the stripes in the bear are these exact reds and greens also. He is adorable. Let's see how tall he is. I really like him. He is 10.5 inches tall and his base is 3 inches across. Look at our little Gandalf Santa. I love him. Okay, we still have one more item in here. So look, it lifts up and this guy slides out. And then it looks like the normal box once you do that part. Isn't that cute? So what is this guy that was so chicly put in that box? Ooh, I can see it's the new wood tones that they sent us in the winter box. It matches that. This is good. It is a Christmas calendar countdown. So I'm guessing that it is magnet. My kids are going to flip out with this, you guys. So you take the little magnetic wreath and you move it down the board. So you can hang it on a wall. You could put it in a plate stand or a holder, or you could set it on a shelf and you count down to Christmas. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. And this guy is 14 inches tall, 11 inches wide, and about 1 inch thick. So it's a decent size. Very cute. Okay, so I want to decorate. That's what I do. I want to decorate with these things. So I'm going to take you to decorate, but here's the warning. I do have the Decocrated winter box out amongst all the stuff. So if you don't want to see that, you need to skip out. Otherwise, let's go play with Christmas. So I have behind me the mantle that I designed when I shared the Decocrated winter box. I've changed absolutely nothing about it. I basically just want to plug this new Christmas box into this design. So if you remember last time, I wanted a really winter look, and I have little bitty pops of red, like in the candle, the berries, the red books, throughout the design. I do think my kids put this, you guys, this deer, he's had his head busted off multiple times and it's been glued back on. And now he just looks like an insane, crazed deer. And I think my family has fallen in love with the fact that he looks nuts. So I actually didn't realize he was sitting there till just now, but I will leave him there. So we have the pops of red throughout that tie in so beautifully with the Christmas items. So first let me put the art card up. Let's put the art card up first. So we have the dual sides, the sweater weather and the Merry Christmas. I'm actually gonna go with this because I want it to be an additional pop of red up against this design. And I'm just gonna slide it over the winter art card. That way if I just wanna rotate it at any point for any given reason, I can. So there it is. And I keep these stacked like this through the whole winter season so I can just rotate them at my leisure. And I don't know how many of you, actually I would love to know how many of you are that attention detailed. So like if I have friends over today, and then they're like, hey, we're gonna come back over on the weekend as well, I'll swap that. So that it's like, oh, look, this is my fresh new design. And then of course my detail-oriented friends are like, oh my gosh, you got a new art. And my other friends are like, how did you even, like, what? So comment and tell me, are you that detail-oriented when it comes to just about anything? Then we have our little green votive. I have these little candles that are fake. I use them all in the Halloween design. They're all in there. I love them because I'll throw like 2 or 3 of them in here so I can have a lot of light. I'm actually going to replace the calendar with this. I went back and forth and I think I want more green in that section. I'm placing it with one of the snowflakes facing the back as well as the sides. Basically, when I light it, I want the light to throw the snowflake shape on the items around it. So I've got no snowflake straight in front, but I have them up against the animals, the tree, and the back, so it's kind of offset. And then we got the pillowcase. And so really, there's kind of an endless number of ways you can stack these. Because you could do the black and white on red, the black and white on black and white, black and white on green, green on red. Like, and this is another thing that I would swap along with the art card depending on who's coming over and what's happening. I think for this design, I'm actually going to do that for right now. Oh, who knows, by the time this video ends, or even right after y'all are gonna see me on Instagram, the kids are gonna have swapped it. I don't know if I'm allowed to say there's favorite pieces to a box, but I'm going there. I think he is so cute. I love, love, love him. And I feel like there's this perfect little spot for him right there. Now granted, when I created this, I had not seen the Christmas box. I did not plan this with the Christmas box in mind. I just knew I wanted some pops of red because I would turn it from winter into Christmas, and then I would just go from there. I think it's perfect. So I actually have one of the books from a past box that I'm using as a riser. I'm just gonna slide that guy in there and put him on top so that he has a little bit more height and can compete, and we don't lose the bottom of him due to my garland being kind of lush. And there's this guy. So the kids did decide that they are going to count down, going up to the star. I'm gonna set this over here for now. And it may actually stay there and survive just fine, but I have a sneaky suspicion the kids are gonna move it. And so they're supposed to rotate turns, the oldest, the youngest, the oldest, the youngest, getting to move the wreath, but they are very, very excited about this Decocrated piece. So there you have it. It is really that easy to add the Christmas box to your current design. I mean, what? That took us like a minute to decorate. The two boxes blend really, really well together. Okay, tell me what you think. Do you have a favorite item from either box, winter or Christmas? If I had to choose a favorite item, it'd be a toss-up between the 3 woodland creatures and the Santa. So I'm picking one from each box. The 3 woodland creatures and the Santa are my 2 favorite items. You already know, hands down, my kids said the calendar with the moving wreath is by far their favorite item. But I'd love to know which items you guys love the most. Thanksgiving's in a couple of days, so tell us, are you decorated for Thanksgiving or are you decorated for Christmas? If I was not a content creator and I was not hanging out with you guys today, I would probably still be decorated for fall Thanksgiving. But seeing that I have been creating this amazing design with you guys over the last week or so, I don't want to take it down. That would be really, really sad. So we're leaving it up, and we are officially going to be half Christmas, half Thanksgiving come Thanksgiving Day. So tell us, what date do you start decorating for Christmas if you have not already decorated? Let us know. Okay, I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is our year-end wrap-up for Decocrated. I won't see you guys again until 2022. How weird is that? That'll be the next time we hang out and do the Decocrated Spring box, which is always a really, really exciting box to do. But I personally wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to Decocrated. You guys probably don't know this, but Decocrated has taken the extra steps to ensure I am able to do a decorate with me on every single video with you guys. Doing the full decorating is one of my all-time favorite things to do, but it is very time costly, and it actually is like costly because I want to create new designs for you guys every single time we're together. So you can either recreate an old design that you love or you have something new to work with. And so in order to enable me to be able to do that, Decocrated has hired me to be able every single box to decorate with you. That is such an investment, as not only in me as a creator, but in you guys as subscribers. They want every single time you guys receive your box to have a plethora of ideas and concepts with all of the Decocrated groups that they offer, with hiring people like me to do video design. And if you just look at the booklet, you can see the time and money they put into creating each of those sets and showing other like products from past boxes in the shop that go really good with our boxes. So I just wanted to say thank you to Decocrated for investing in myself, investing in your subscribers, and allowing us to be able to decorate like this with every single box. It truly makes my heart so happy. I hope that you guys have a very happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you deco creators in 2022. Unless, of course, you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and follow all my other work, which is totally what you should do so that we can hang out like tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.